Introducing the LG Nanocell 80 series 75-inch TV, where cutting-edge technology meets an extraordinary viewing experience. Imagine stepping into a world where every detail is brought to life with vibrant colors and stunning clarity. With its advanced nanocell technology, this TV delivers an unparalleled picture quality that makes your favorite movies, sports, and games more immersive than ever before. Feel the thrill of the game as if you're sitting in the stadium, or get lost in the cinematic experience from the comfort of your own home. The expansive 75-inch screen ensures that no detail goes unnoticed, giving you a front-row seat to the action. Whether you're a tech-savvy enthusiast or a home entertainment aficionado, the LG Nanocell 80 series is designed to enhance your viewing pleasure. Elevate your entertainment setup and experience lifelike colors that pop off the screen, making every moment unforgettable. Discover the LG Nanocell 80 series today and transform your home into a hub of entertainment. Visit our website or your nearest retailer to experience the future of television. LG, life's good.